Welcome back to the Drive Vault. I need you to take a breath for a second, because what you're about to see doesn't fit into any normal category. This isn't just a truck, it's not just an RV, and it's definitely not just a motorhome. This is a full-size Kenworth semi that's been turned into a moving neighborhood. And once you really understand what you're looking at, it kind of messes with your head in the best way possible. At first glance, your brain tries to label it. You see the long nose, the chrome stacks, the massive grille, and you think, okay, heavy-duty truck. Then your eyes move back, and suddenly you're staring at what looks like a row of modern townhouses rolling down the road. Balconies, multiple floors, staircases, real windows. That moment, right there, is where curiosity hits. Because your mind knows this shouldn't exist, but somehow it does. This Kenworth motorhome is fully customized, built from a real semi-truck platform and reimagined into something that feels more like a luxury home that just happens to move. And the wild part? It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't use flashy colors or over-the-top graphics. It stays calm, confident, and quiet, almost like it knows how insane it already is. The exterior design alone tells a story. The truck up front stays true to Kenworth's DNA. Solid, powerful, purposeful. It looks like it could pull anything across any highway without breaking a sweat. That silver finish gives it a premium, almost futuristic feel, while still keeping that classic American trucking presence. It's strong, but not aggressive. Expensive, but not loud. Then there's the trailer. And this is where everything changes. Instead of a typical RV shell, the back is built like actual architecture. You've got multi-level living spaces stacked along the length, each section designed like a modern townhouse. Sloped roofs with dormer windows, clean siding, glass everywhere. And those balconies? They're not just decoration, they're a statement. This isn't about surviving the road, it's about living beautifully on it. From the outside, you can already feel the space. The windows are large and positioned like real rooms, not tiny RV cutouts. It makes you imagine what's inside without even seeing it. A living room with natural light, a bedroom upstairs, maybe even a quiet corner where the world feels far away while you're parked somewhere in the mountains. And that's the emotional pull of this build. It doesn't feel temporary. Most RVs feel like you're borrowing comfort for a while. This feels permanent, like wherever this truck stops, that place becomes home. Now imagine stepping inside. The cab itself feels more like a luxury cockpit than a truck. Wide seats, modern displays, soft lighting, and enough space that you forget you're driving something massive. Everything is designed to make long journeys feel effortless, calm, and controlled. You're not wrestling the road. You're gliding through it. As you move back into the living areas, the mood completely shifts. This isn't cramped. This isn't cluttered. It feels open, warm, and surprisingly quiet. Think high-end apartment vibes, but engineered to move. Real flooring, real walls, thoughtful lighting. Furniture that feels like it belongs in a home, not something that folds into a wall every 5 minutes. The kitchen isn't just RV functional. It feels like a place you'd actually want to cook. Solid counters, built-in appliances, smart storage, and enough space to move around without bumping into everything. It's designed so daily, life still feels normal. And that's huge. Bedrooms, full-sized, calm, comfortable. Large windows that let you wake up to mountains, forests, or city lights depending on where you parked last night. Bathrooms that feel more spa-like than survival mode. Everything about the interior whispers comfort instead of compromise. And yet, underneath all that comfort, this thing is still a Kenworth. That means serious power. A heavy-duty diesel engine built for long-haul performance, reliability, and torque. This isn't a fragile luxury toy. It's a machine designed to move massive loads across thousands of miles. Even with all that living space behind it, this truck is meant to cruise highways with confidence, not crawl along nervously. Driving something like this wouldn't feel rushed. It would feel steady, controlled, like you're carrying your entire world behind you. And it's perfectly balanced. Of course, something this extreme doesn't come cheap. There's no official price tag, because builds like this are usually one-of-one creations. But realistically, you're looking at something well into the seven-figure range. And honestly, this isn't for someone comparing prices. This is for someone buying a lifestyle. Freedom without giving up comfort. Adventure without sacrificing peace. What really makes this Kenworth Motorhome special isn't just the size or the luxury. It's the feeling it creates. It taps into something deep. The desire to roam without feeling lost. To move without feeling unsettled. To have stability, privacy, and beauty. Anywhere you go. Most vehicles take you somewhere. This one brings your entire life with you. And that's why it's so fascinating. It's not about camping. It's not even about travel. It's about redefining what home can be in a world that's always moving. So now I want to know, would you actually live in something like this? Or is this the kind of dream that's better admired from afar? If this blew your mind even a little, hit that like button. Subscribe if you love seeing the wild future of vehicles and luxury living. And stay right here, because things only get crazier from here. See you in the next one.